Hello there. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Jenny and I'm the author of this children's book entitled Ta이니위드어브라운베어. It's really nice to meet you all.
Thank you very much for your very wonderful introduction. Would you also please introduce the book that you wrote, Tiny with a Brown Bear?
As a teacher of Veritas Junior English, I have been thinking about what the easiest way to learn English as familiar as our native language, recurring stories from fairy tales I read when I was learning Korean as a child. I wrote Tiny with a Brown Bear sitting in the Canadian Capilano Forest where I actually traveled.
Wow, that is quite interesting. But it could have been a title like Tiny and James after the main characters in the book. But is there a reason why the title is Tiny with a Brown Bear? I wonder what the title actually means.
This story begins with the verse of Baby Fox, Tiny. The main character, the little fox, is named Tiny, and Tiny's friend James named it Tiny with a Brown Bear to remind him a large image that visually contrasts with small Tiny.
Oh yeah, that was
bear. Brown bear.
That is really cute, and I'm pretty sure a lot of children would love that character. Yeah, but as I can see, there are a variety of animals and insects in the book. But who would you pick as the most similar to you as the author? Yeah, please tell me why.
I would say it's Butterfly Lady. The Butterfly Lady appears briefly at the beginning of the fairy tale. Tiny can run and swim, but she's envious of the Butterfly Lady's ability to fly. This shows how we tend to envy things what we don't have. During my English lessons, I remember myself answering the question of children with many dreams like Tiny.
Yeah, that is really interesting, and I'm pretty sure children, they ask a lot of questions, right? Yeah, but is there a message that you would like to convey through this book?
Yes, looking at Tiny and James, the two main characters, I want to convey the message that the love of each other is the best completion of friendship. Due to the current global pandemic, we are less able to spend time with our friends and neighbors as before, but I hope that we'll be able to help each other out and really discover the true meaning of love and friendship.
Yeah, well, that is a really beautiful message. Thank you. Who would you recommend reading this book to?
Like Tiny and Mary in this fairy tale book, I hope that children and their parents who are new to letters and books will read it. I believe this story will bring their parents and children closer together as they connect through this book. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much as well. Yeah, and thank you very much for doing this interview and for sharing your beautiful book. And I really hope and wish all the best for your children's book, Tiny with a Brown Bear.